Good morning, dear students. In the last lecture, we had started our chapter 16, Great World Leaders. And in that lecture, you had learnt about George Washington and Abraham Lincoln, who were greatest presidents of the USA. Today, we will learn about Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta in 1929. He was one of the greatest leaders of the American Civil Rights Movement. So, what was that civil rights movement? This movement was a mass protest against racial discrimination which happened in the southern part of the United States of America during the mid 1950s to the 1960s. Means racial discrimination. There was a practice of racial discrimination in USA, in the southern part of USA during 1950s and 1960s. And Martin Luther King, he was leading this movement, American Civil Rights Movement. So first of all, we will learn what is racial discrimination. Racial discrimination refers to the practice of treating someone differently on the basis of the color of their skin. Means किसी भी person को उसकी color of skin के basis पर treat करना. This practice was followed in the United States of America during the 1950s and 1960s, which created a divide between the white-skinned people and colored people. अमेरिका में 1950s and 1960s में ये प्रैक्टिस हो रही थी. इट वॉज वेरी मच इन प्रैक्टिस कि लोग जो हैं, जो वाइट स्किन वाले लोग थे, वो कलर्ड पीपल को लेट डाउन करते थे. मीन्स वो अपने आप उनको जो है अपने आप को सुपीरियर और उनको इन्फीरियर समझते थे. सो दैट वॉज रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. Though slavery was abolished from the United States, abolished means a law or custom which has been ended. As we had learned in last lecture that the president of USA, Abraham Lincoln, had introduced Emancipation Proclamation, and that's why slavery ended in United States. But still, in United States, the colored people were still treated badly. अब slavery तो नहीं थी, लेकिन there was racial discrimination. जो colored people थे, means जो dark complexion के लोग थे, they were treated badly. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for equal rights for all colored people. और मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर ने सभी कलर के लोगों के लिए इक्वल राइट्स के लिए फाइट की. उन्होंने कहा कि भगवान ने सभी को इक्वल बनाया है, सो एवरीवन शुड हैव इक्वल राइट्स. देयर शुड बी नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कलर ऑफ पीपल. His efforts gathered a large number of supporters, and finally a law was passed which gave equal rights to the colored people in America. और उनके इतने ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स के बाद बहुत सारे लोग आए और उन्होंने उनको सपोर्ट किया, और फाइनली देयर वाज अ लॉ पास्ड. एक लॉ बनाया गया, एक कानून बनाया गया जिसके अंडर ऑल कलर्ड पीपल वर गिवन इक्वल राइट्स. अमेरिका में सभी कलर के लोगों को इक्वल राइट्स मिले. ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड द नोबेल पीस प्राइज इन 1964. और 1964 में मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर वॉज अवॉर्डेड विद द नोबेल पीस प्राइज. नोबेल प्राइज इज गिवन टू very much famous people, the people who do great efforts for big changes. So he was given Nobel Prize for peace in 1964. Next is Mother Teresa. Everyone knows about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 26th August 1910 in Skopje in Macedonia. She was born in Macedonia, in Skopje. And Macedonia is in which continent? Europe. So Mother Teresa was born on 26th August 1910 in Skopje, Macedonia. She completed her education at the age of 18 and decided to become a nun. अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद मदर टेरेसा decided that she had to become a nun. Nun, you can say, like in India we have sadhvis. In the same way, in Christianity, the ladies or the girls who want to become like this, they are called nun. Those who want to devote their life for the society. In 1929, she arrived in India and started teaching in various schools. 1929 में जब मदर टेरेसा इंडिया आई तो उन्होंने अलग अलग स्कूल में बच्चों को पढ़ाया. However, she was greatly moved by the conditions in which the poor lived in India. और वो इंडिया में जो लोगों की कंडीशन थी, the people who were living in bad conditions and people who were very much poor, Mother Teresa was greatly moved. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा उनके मन में लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा sympathy थी. She dedicated her life to helping the poor and the needy. And उन्होंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ डेडिकेट कर दी पुअर एंड नीडी को हेल्प करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट, मदर टेरेसा established the Missionaries of Charity in 1950 in Calcutta. Now it is called Kolkata, with a mission to care for the needy, homeless and hungry. In 1950, Mother Teresa started Missionaries of Charity और इसका मोटिव क्या था? She wanted to care for the needy, जो लोग needy थे, जो ज़रूरतमंद थे, those who were homeless, जिनके पास घर नहीं था, and the hungry, those who didn't have food to eat. So she wanted to help those people. That's why she established Missionaries of Charity in 1950. She set up an orphanage called Nirmal Hriday in 1952. 1952 में मदर टेरेसा ने एक orphanage खोला. She started an orphanage and its name was Nirmal Hriday, by the name Nirmal Hriday in 1952. Today both these organizations have gained a lot of support and more people have joined to help the poor. दोनों ही जो organizations हैं, those which were started by Mother Teresa, Missionaries of Charity and Nirmal Hriday, both these organizations have gained a lot of support. बहुत सारे लोग अब इन organizations को support करते हैं and they have joined to help the poor and they are helping the poor. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Prize in 1979. मदर टेरेसा को 1979 में नोबेल प्राइज मिला and the भारत रत्न in 1980. And 1980 में उनको भारत रत्न अवार्ड दिया गया. And भारत रत्न अवार्ड is given only to 3 people who do not belong to India. And one of them was Mother Teresa, who was not born in India, but she was naturalized. She remained in India, she stayed here and she helped the people of India. She died on 5th September 1997. She was declared a saint by the Vatican in 2016. 2016 में उनको saint declare किया गया. Who is a saint? A person who has been recognized by the Christian Church as being very holy for having lived in a holy way. कोई भी ऐसा इंसान जो कि बहुत ही यू कैन से सेक्रेट तरीके से जिसने अपना जीवन जिया हो, जिसने लोगों की हेल्प की हो, द पर्सन हु हैज डिवोटेड हिज लाइफ फॉर द पीपल। लाइक इंडिया में हम संत बोलते हैं जिनको, इन हिंदी वी कॉल इट संत। सो शी वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड अ सेंट बाय द वेटिकन। Vatican is in Rome, and it is very, you can say, renowned church, and she was declared a saint by Vatican in 2016. So that was all about Mother Teresa. With this, our chapter ends here. So have a wonderful day, dear children.